Hello students, good morning all of you. Our sharing is caring lesson is completed. So today I am going to start our new poem to mother. You open your English fairy books, page number 25. Page number 25 to mother. For this poem, we done activity making a photo frame of your mother. I hope all are enjoyed this activity. So now here one activity given here, warm up activity. Draw a picture of your mother below. Say two things you like about her. Here space is given for you. You have to write two sentences about your mother. Which things you like about your mother? First, you have to draw the face of your mother and you have to color it. And below the picture, you have to write two sentences about your mother. Like, my mother helps me in study. She loves me. She makes delicious food for me. Like this, which things you like about her, those things you have to write it below the picture. Now turn the page. On page number 26, read this poem about mother's love and care, because our unit's name is love and care. So first I am going to read the poem, and at home you will practice reading the poem and also memorize it. Every mouse and bumblebee, every bird up in a tree, every caterpillar and ladybug loves to feel her mother's hug. Every bear so fat and funny loves his mother more than honey, just as woodland creatures do. Mothers that hug, I love you. The poem talks about how every creature miss animals such as a bumblebee, a bird, a caterpillar and a ladybug loves to feel its mother's hug. Animals who love their mothers just like we do with our mother. This poem is about baby animals who are showing their love towards their mother. So, in this poem, which animals are there? Mouse, bumblebee, birds are there, caterpillar, ladybug, bear. These all animals are there in this poem. So, hug means what? It's called hug. When our mother just takes us close to her, give a beautiful hug. We all love to get mother's hug. You also like it? Yes. So, like us, these all animals are also showing their love towards their mother. Second stanza. Every bear so fat and funny loves his mother more than honey. In this stanza, it is been said, baby bear who is showing his love towards his love towards his mother is more than sweet, more than honey. You know, honey is very sweet in taste, but here Baby bear is saying, my love is very sweet than honey. After that, just as woodland creatures do. Here in this bracket, two words are there, woodland and creatures. Woodland means forest and creatures means animals. So, what is the meaning of woodland? Forest, and creatures means animals. So, animals live in the forest. They also show their love towards their mother. So, here baby bear is explaining how I love you. How I love you means how you like me. Means his mother likes him. Once again, you can read this poem after me. Every mouse and bumblebee, every bird up in a tree, every caterpillar and ladybug loves to feel her mother's hug. Every bear so fat and funny loves his mother more than honey, just as woodland creatures do. Mother, that's how I love you. And in your English notebook, you can write this poem, and these two hard words you can write one word 5 times in your English notebook. Tomorrow we will see exercise for this poem. Thank you, students.